the multi-level societies below here that are built out of societal stratums. And again, you can almost think of sociocultural groups as being cells, societal stratums as being tissues of society, and then multi-level societies actually being the multicellular versions of societies. And that's why you have elephant clans, if we saw, cetacean palads, primates, human chiefdoms, human modern state societies. And notice that I purposely separate human chiefdom, which is a tribal structure, from a modern human society. They're two different worlds as far as classification is concerned. Even though we're of the same species, doesn't necessarily mean that we have the same type of societal order within the societies that we belong to. One really important way to understand of how good humans are with creating really multi-level societies, and I made a diagram of a multi-level society. It always starts from the individuals at the very bottom, and then they have their families or whatever groups they belong to around each other that have their own first level societal rules. So that can be family, school, workplace, right? That's where at a certain day you might find yourself either one or the other. But you as an individual are actively involved in creating those societies, even if it's 9 to 5 domain. That means it's like taking a breath, right? At this point, there's oxygen. At this point, there isn't. Similarly, the city can fill up with workers in a day, and then and it will fill out right after into the evening. It's almost like a breath of society can be understood through when the actual people within society, for example, sleep, and then when they're active, that will be the breath, and then slow. So and you notice again that everything slows down. Like routines started from being real time, because conflations and routines are pretty much real time. But the more we go into sociocultural groups, this is why legislation and laws take a long time. You have to wait until a certain date in order for your court hearing, or certain things take time to be implemented societally because you have to make sure that you process it. And everything becomes slower, so it has to be sped up. And the more you build up the tree of emergence, the slower things get. So the time in the way of expression is slowing down as we climb up this tree.